If you're teaching in Hong Kong, you can develop your teaching practice and prepare to apply for teacher registration with the iPGCE. Here's how. First, if you're looking to apply for teacher registration after completing the iPGCE, make sure you check the full requirements before going ahead. When you're ready, start with step 1, apply online. You'll need to share your education history and confirm support from your school. Step 2. The Tes Institute team will review your application. If successful, you'll receive an offer email with next steps. Step 3. Compliance. Submit a confirmation of school support form signed by your school leader. This is where the school nominates your in-school mentor. You'll also need to submit your degree certificate and transcript, photo ID, and if you didn't study your degree in English, evidence of English language proficiency. This should all be verified by your school leader. Finally, complete and sign the learner agreement. Once approved, you'll move to step 4, enrol. You'll join our online platform, Tes Learn, hear from your pathway tutor, and start your induction. You'll complete the course over 1 academic year, and upon successful completion, your qualification will be awarded by the University of East London. Ready to take the next step? Visit our website to find out more.